there, and welcome to Real Investment News. I'm Mike O'Neill. Market futures are pointing higher today, but not high enough to make up for yesterday's big losses. Dow futures are up about 30 points. The NASDAQ is looking to open about 9 points higher. S&P is up just 0.75. Jesse Colombo, analyst for Real Investment Advice, noted that the Dow actually broke through the triangle that formed. We started it in late January, and as you can see, right here with that 335-point loss, it actually broke through on the downside, a signal that the price may continue dropping for a while. Now, overseas, things are actually mostly positive. The Hang Seng was up 0.05%. The Shanghai Composite was up 0.35. The Nikkei dropped slightly, about half a percentage point. In Europe, the big three, the FTSE, CAC, and DAX, they're all higher, but by about 0.25%, and they still have about 4 hours left to go. Now, Facebook continued to drop in after hours trading. Right, yesterday it closed at 172. It's hovering about 170 right now. This was one of its worst days on record, fell nearly 7% yesterday. CEO Mark Zuckerberg actually lost $5 billion in value. It is now hovering, as I said, around $170 a share, the lowest it has been since October. And while Facebook's fall has been getting almost all of the headlines over the past 24 hours, it should not get all of the blame for yesterday's drop. The G20 summit in Buenos Aires actually began yesterday, and there was discussion of a possible digital tax to tax international e-commerce companies like Amazon and Google that also helped push the tech-heavy NASDAQ down 1.8% yesterday. Now, Bloomberg is reporting that the Trump administration is planning to impose new tariffs worth as much as $60 billion on some products from China. This is not just about helping American companies, but as a punishment for what the U.S. perceives as intellectual property theft. U.S. businesses in China have long complained that they are being forced to hand over technology in order to gain access to the market. There are no big economic reports coming out today, but the Federal Reserve is meeting, and tomorrow it is expected to announce an increase in interest rates. We should also get an idea if the Fed is leaning toward any further hikes beyond the 3 that are already expected. But that's it for now. Thank you so very much for watching. Please remember to follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Subscribe to our YouTube page where we have new reports coming out every day. I'm Mike O'Neill, and we'll see you again after the opening bell.